Look at the level of the detail for this service manual. This is this side of the board here, and if you can see, for example, the VU meter is going to 12 and 13. If you come here, you will see this 12 and 13 on the board. For example, this is the light bulb, which is here, and the light bulb is connected to 42 and 43. So around here is the power supply, and 42 and 43 are there indeed. So this cable indeed goes in there, you see, now that I move it, and goes to the light bulb. So you can desolder all the cables here, which I'm not gonna do because I'm afraid I will break something, but you have here a map which cable goes to where from each part of the schema of the board here, and all this comes from the schematic. Furthermore, this is the schematic itself, which also here you can see the other side of the board, this side, and you can see the number of each component, and also here it's the same thing, but it shows the traces and shows also the values of each component. Really is one of the most detailed service manuals I have ever seen. So I took out the VU meter here to check if it is open circuit or not. Okay, so it seems to be 0.5 K. So 580 ohms. Don't know what this means. But it seems to be stuck. It doesn't move. Anyway. I will open it because there is nothing better I can do with it. Okay, thin screws. I'm going to find the thin screwdriver. Well, of course, I lost one screw, as I always do. But anyway. So this is not damaged, but it is stuck. No. It is stuck due to magnet that has gone out of place. So I don't really know where this magnet should normally be. So it still doesn't move that freely because it doesn't go back. To be honest, I don't know what I should do here. Anyway. So listen now what I did. I couldn't do it on camera because it was very delicate job. You see the magnet that is in there. This black thing here is the magnet. This magnet would move freely because it was the glue of it had gone and it was out of center, and it would catch the outer edges of how is this called with wire winding anyway. So I put it in the middle. It would stay in the middle somehow, but not stable. And when I put it in the middle and I saw that that thing could move freely, I dropped a small amount of super glue here and another small amount of super glue there on these two sides. I don't have a because of this metal plate here. I don't have access here to the back to drop a super glue, but to be absolutely sure that where I drop it, it won't go somewhere that it will glue this movement. It glue something that will prevent this movement here. So now that this is actually here, let me show you. I did have a battery here, didn't I? Yes. So have a look at that. Is it visible? Yes. Come on. Stay there. You see? You see, it's moving. That means that it is now working. Before it was definitely not working. Now, I found here the screw, I put my foot on it and I realized that this was the screw that fell down. Now, we put this like that, we put the two screws back here, put it there, put here the cables, and let's see if it's working. So So I realized the previous video where I showed how the VQ meter was working was blurry, but anyway, another thing to show is that this VQ meter here, there are two diodes across it here, and these two diodes are selenium diodes. They are these diodes here, if you can see them. Okay. And I replaced also those because selenium diodes usually go bad. It's normal silicon diodes, it's this one and this one. Every silicon diode would do, I think, these two here. And after doing this, let's demonstrate the result. So, this is put to record. I have ready my phone there with some music I made from Suno directly. So it's not my own music, it's AI music. And look the result. So finally, the VQ meter of this machine is working. Success.